Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I am making a Memory Dex card to enter into a challenge with K is for Karen's YouTube channel, and it's a deal. So just wanted to let you know that I need some help deciding which one to submit for the challenge. So what I've done is I have used paper from the Autumn Dream paper pad. This is a paper pad that I had on hand by Craftsmith. It's some beautiful papers I've started, and then this one is the DIY shop paper pad, some gorgeous papers, and these are medium weight here for this one, and I've chosen a couple of sheets out of that. So what I'm doing is I'm starting the base here, and I'm going to decorate them, and then I'm going to have you guys vote on which one I should submit, because I don't know, and I haven't finished them yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put them together and then have you guys vote. So first, I want to send you over to It's a Deal. She has a tutorial on how to make the Memory Dex cards. I will tell you that these are 4 inches this way and 3.5 inches this way. And then to make the holes, you go in 1.5 inches here and 1.5 inches from either side, and then 1/2 inch up to punch the hole, and then punching the hole and cutting with your scissors so that it will fit in a Rolodex. So these are decorative and they are larger. From her explanation, which I hope you'll go to her channel, I'll put the link to the video here, is you decorate, and then on the back you include some information about yourself and maybe your social media channels and all that. And then I'm submitting them to K is for Karen's challenge. So I'm really excited about it. And I'm going to make 4. And I'm trying to decide what is me. You know, like for my channel, I really feel like since I have the blues and purples and pinks, that one of these would really be it. But then I love the vintage and the autumns, so I did cut those too. So I'm going to show you real quick one thing that I did, one tip that I did do is I have a corner shaper, and I am shaping my corners like this, and I'm going to do that on all of them, and you have to do them just right or it doesn't come out right, because if you don't put them in there just right, you know, they don't shape exactly. So I am going to do that and go ahead and get these ready to go and decorate them, and then have you guys vote. Okay, so I finished my Rolodex cards for the Memory Dex cards for the challenge, and I've numbered them 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I need you to help me decide which one to send to the challenge, and I'm going to show you each one, and then if you could vote please and help me decide. I will be mailing this on Wednesday this week so that it makes it in time. So you have a couple days. So this is number 1. This is the front. You decorate the front, and see your holes are here, if you can see that. And I did a little you know, aging on here, put some cute little, the butterfly is free. And then on the back I just put my CL on there and like some washi here. But then there's a pocket, and it says to Karen from Cindy in this little envelope. And then inside is my information, so that she can, and a little note to her, so that she can, you know, that's what that is about, is the contact information. So I'm going to put that back in there. All right, so that's number 1. And then number 2 is more of an autumn theme. Has some, oh, sorry about that. Has some little raised elevated stickers and little bird, and then this background is an autumn leaf with some gold writing, and then on the back is the back of an envelope with a little pumpkin, and then I signed it, and then when you open it with a little Velcro, inside the envelope is a little tag, and it has the information on it. So that one's a little bit different. So this is number 2. Okay, number 2. All right, number 3 is completely different. This one's really like happy, and this one is purples and pinks and a little raised flower. You can see I elevated it several layers and put a rhinestone on the flower and said hello and hola. And then on the back is a little tuck spot for my contact information with a little clip that's decorated, and then XOXO. So that's number 3. And then number 4 is completely takes me away to the beach. And this is a mermaid one, and this says mermaids don't, let's see, don't, I can't even read it anymore. Don't lose sleep over the opinions of shrimp. Anyway, I don't know why I couldn't read it, but so then I covered the back with the same paper to cover the sticker so it could stick up, because this is a chipboard sticker. And then I put a C for my name, and then a little arrow, just a little decoration with my contact information. So that is number 4. So if you could please vote for me down below and tell me which one you think I should send to the challenge, and I need to know in a couple days. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great week. I'm working on another DIY, just FYI, and so it's drying right now before we can do anything else. So anyway, working on that, and then linked below our K for Karen's YouTube channel, and also it's a deal so you can learn how to make these Memory Dex cards from her site. So anyway, thank you so much, and have a great week.